Alright, you guys, so I fell for the hype and I went ahead and grabbed the viral TikTok gel polish set from Tencoco, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it comes with. So here's the box right here, and here's everything that comes in it. I've heard that this lamp is trash, so we're going to just set that to the side because I do have my Melody Susie lamp anyway. So here's all the polishes that it comes with, and I'm super excited because I heard that these are extremely pigmented, and I'm really trying to find something that's not going to break my wallet but is just as functional and is HEMA free. So the kit comes with 32, I think, polishes, and these are them here. You guys, these are full size. Full size. I got this entire kit for $53 and it was on a discount. So full size products. I can't wait to swatch these. Look at this. Aside from that, it also came with the top coat, LED soak off top coat, as well as a soak off base coat. So that's really amazing. You have your top coat and your base coat for your nails ready to go. Those are cute nail stickers as well, perfect for springtime. This is my current nail set that I did on my own as a beginner, so I really wanted to find colors aside from nude that are gonna pop, and I'm excited that I found these. This is what doom scrolling does on TikTok. You end up in a rabbit hole of products, and when you are a nail tech, sometimes good finds, you just can't pass them up. So this kit does come with a full nail kit as well. It has like your little cat eye magnet, which has everything stuck to it, but your cat eye magnet, because there is one cat eye polish in here that supposedly transforms all the polishes into cat eye, so we're gonna see. Your little design polka dot little tool to pick up some gemstones, files in here, which I love. 100 180 100 180 grit for filing your acrylics. Brushes in here, cuticle pusher, or no, this is like the acrylic pusher for when you soak off your nails. I love that this came with its own little toolkit, because as a nail tech, you never have enough tools. Trust, girl. Aside from the Tencoco kit, I also picked up this kit from Seonggang on Amazon. This is nail swatches, so that I can go ahead and do these swatches of the Tencoco polishes. So cute. And it comes with a little ring, so I really do like that the Tencoco polishes are 12 milliliters, so that's a full bottle of gel polish, and they all come individually packaged. It comes in one big pack, and then when you pull them out, it has its own packaging here. So I'm going to open that, and I'm going to check the pigments. This is color 039. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's the color. With these, I've heard that what you see on the bottle is what you get in the polish. So I'm excited about that. There's no guessing games when it comes down to your client picking out a really pretty color. So let's go ahead and do this green right here. So beautiful. This is number 038. You guys, it is giving green, okay? It's giving lime green, fluorescent. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and follow me. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these, but you're going to have to come back and see what that looks like in the next one. Tencoco on TikTok shop if you are a professional nail tech or if you are a beginner nail tech, because as you know, it's really hard to find good pigment, good quality, and that's HEMA free. But I think that I found something that's pretty solid, so let's see how they work in future videos and future nail styles and things like that. Once I soak off these acrylics and do my new set, I'm going to be using this entire line, so stay tuned.